Hey Joseph. What are we doing?
We're moving a turbo
Why are we doing this?
to make it bigger.
Oh. What is on? Oil return?
Oil return.
Is that it?
Yeah.
In the ghetto.
Oh yeah, she's loose.
She's very loose. Oh, Joseph. Oh, no. There you go.
Hello.
Hello. It's well hard working when it's facing you. Right, so update. Last time we were seeing.
Yeah. So last.
We were taking turbo off because we were going to go big boy turbo. So
And since then it's gone very, very horrible.
stuff has gone dramatically wrong.
So basically it's been stripped apart for clutch upgrade and a new flywheel. Found multiple issues.
Some issues. Small ones.
No, multiple issues.
Tiny non-issues.
Leaking oil everywhere, rocker cover gaskets are knackered.
Just sweat and power.
2 injectors are chuffing, so the injectors have now been taken out. All 6 injectors aren't in very good condition. The exact words were, we wouldn't put them back in a stock car, so cool. So yeah, she's currently in a million pieces. Feeling very sorry for herself.
Hold on. So that's where the situation has ended up. There's lots of stuff happening. Suspension bits are going on. I mean, let me angle it down. There's the car on the floor. But we have bought many upgrades.
Yeah.
So we have got 5-pedal ceramic racing clutch to go in. Bruce at Devil's Own.
Yeah, we've
put
got
this up with a
dual port water methanol rejection system.
spicy. The inlet manifold's been vapor blasted. There's new everything going on the car basically. Now, seeing as the injectors are a situation, we're looking at like stage 2 injectors from Darkside.
Yeah, CP3.
CP3 fuel pump with a fitting kit, fuel pressure sensor, and then I'm gonna send it to the moon.
Or try.
Send it until the gearbox falls out the floor, and then cry in the corner. But
and rebuild it.
yeah, basically, so that's where we are. There's been some minor body changes, gimbal, just grills and stuff like that. But to be honest, I might have to sell one of my kids in order to finance the car.
Yeah, it's not
Worth it. So yeah, I'll go and should we go and show them the bits and bobs that Bruce sent. The meth kit does look lovely, to be fair, but you know, I think it's going to be a while before it goes in. We haven't really spoken about the turbo too much. Obviously, it's up there on the car, and you can't see it. I will show some pictures of it now. The specs on this turbo now are 50mm compressor inducer, 69mm compressor extruder, 59.5mm turbine inducer, and a 54mm turbine extruder with obviously ball bearing. Lots of love. But yeah, so that's basically where we are. Turbo is up there and not being used for its entire life because the builder's gone to absolute. Oh, Joseph.
Hello.
Right, talk us through what we've got in here then.
So we've got the race tank. Here we go. Everything. Controller. All sorts of lovely goodies. Like I said, we're running dual port setup, so we can run a nozzle in each side of the inlet.
Yeah, nice and vapor blasted.
Yeah.
Ceramic racing clutch. Yeah. That's a black diamond one. Come with everything you need, but it's getting new slave and obviously flywheel and bolts, etc. While it's there, it's had complete fluids and it's got gearbox transmission,
oil, diff oil as well.
Yeah, all that oil's to go in, as well as the bits it's already had.
Yeah, got some exhaust work to do as well.
Well, yeah.
Because so basically the downpipe's 3-inch, but then it comes down to I think it's 2.5 on the centre section.
Then it reduces again further to like 2.25.
So I'm going to fab up a new mid pipe for it in 3-inch.
Yeah.
And yeah, do some bits with that.
Should be good.
Hopefully be good.
One day.
Yeah, one day like next year.
It's honestly starting to look that way, isn't it? Let's be honest. But
Well, we'll see.
kick it off the ramp. But yeah, so there's the dark side downpipe and flywheel, new rocker cover, gaskets to go on. Yeah. So I think it's time to upgrade the brakes. You can see Joseph looks so impressed.
Oh yeah, I'm well impressed.
Also, turn on the boost. New merch just dropped.
I hope the rain don't come in November.